Organic wood embodies the natural beauty and uniqueness of trees, making it a perfect medium for artistic expression. Each piece of wood carries its own story, from the rings that mark its age to the grains that reveal its journey through life. Utilizing organic wood in wall art allows you to bring a piece of nature indoors, creating a serene and grounding atmosphere that reflects the Earth's beauty. This tactile quality connects viewers to the natural world, evoking feelings of warmth and comfort. Layering different pieces of organic wood in your decor can create a dynamic visual experience. By stacking and arranging various sizes and shapes, you can achieve a sense of depth and complexity. Organic wood offers a stunning palette of colors, from rich browns and warm ambers to cool grays and deep reds. By emphasizing these natural hues in your wall art, you can create a harmonious and inviting environment. The subtle variations in color not only enhance the aesthetic appeal, but also promote a sense of tranquility, reminiscent of a walk through a peaceful forest. Embrace the organic shapes found in nature by designing wall art that mimics natural forms. Curved lines and flowing patterns can evoke the movement of water, the sway of trees, or the contours of mountains. By incorporating these shapes into your woodworking projects, you can create pieces that feel alive and connected to the natural world. Organic wood often comes with imperfections, such as knots, cracks, and varying grain patterns. These features can be celebrated rather than concealed, adding character and authenticity to your wall art. Embracing imperfections allows you to create unique pieces that tell a story, reflecting the beauty of nature's unpredictability. Consider integrating elements from nature into your wall decor, such as leaves, branches, or stones. These natural components can enhance the organic feel of your wood art, creating a cohesive theme that celebrates the outdoors. By harmonizing wood with other natural materials, you can craft a multi-dimensional experience that captivates the senses. When creating organic wood art, it's essential to consider sustainability. Sourcing wood from responsibly managed forests or using reclaimed materials not only benefits the environment, but also adds a rich history to your projects. This commitment to sustainability connects your art to a larger narrative about the importance of preserving nature. Lighting plays a crucial role in how wooden wall art is perceived. Natural light can highlight the grains and textures of wood, creating shadows and depth that change throughout the day. Positioning your art near windows or using strategically placed lighting can enhance its beauty and create a warm atmosphere that mimics the outdoors. Woodworking allows for personal expression, enabling you to create pieces that resonate with your individuality. Whether through choice of design, finish, or arrangement, your wall art can reflect your personal connection to nature. This expression not only beautifies your space, but also serves as a conversation starter, inviting others to share in your artistic journey. Organic wood wall art can serve as a bridge between different areas of your home. By using similar woods or styles throughout your decor, you can create a cohesive flow that enhances the overall aesthetic. This connection between spaces fosters a sense of unity, making your home feel harmonious and inviting. Wooden wall art can be adapted to reflect the changing seasons. By incorporating seasonal elements or changing the arrangement of your pieces, you can keep your decor fresh and aligned with nature's rhythms. This adaptability allows you to celebrate the beauty of each season while maintaining a consistent organic theme. Engaging in woodworking can be a therapeutic practice, providing a mindful escape from daily stresses. The process of crafting organic wood art allows you to connect with nature, fostering a sense of peace and tranquility. This therapeutic aspect can be reflected in your decor, creating a calming environment that promotes relaxation. Every piece of organic wood has a story to tell, from its origins to its journey to becoming art. By highlighting these narratives in your wall decor, you can create a deeper connection between the viewer and the artwork. Sharing the story behind your pieces can foster appreciation for the artistry and the natural world. Many cultures have a rich history of woodworking, and incorporating traditional techniques into your organic wood art can add depth and meaning. Whether inspired by indigenous practices or artisanal craftsmanship, these influences can guide your creative process and enrich your decor with cultural significance. While organic wood is often associated with rustic decor, it can also complement modern design. By combining sleek lines and minimalist aesthetics with organic wood elements, you can create a balanced and contemporary look. This fusion allows you to appreciate the warmth of wood while maintaining a modern sensibility. If you enjoyed this content and want to support our journey, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Your engagement helps us reach a wider audience and continue creating the content you love. Remember to stay tuned until the end of the video for exclusive insights, tips, and behind-the-scenes moments that you won't want to miss. Your support makes all the difference, and we truly appreciate each and every one of you for being part of our community. Thank you for watching the video. We truly appreciate your time and support. If you enjoyed the content, please take a moment to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting updates. Your engagement means a lot to us and helps us continue creating the content you love. We look forward to bringing you more great videos, so stay tuned for future episodes.